FIGO 2023 Stage 3 Endometrial Cancer. According to 2023 FIGO staging system, Stage 3 endometrial carcinoma represents local and/or regional spread outside the uterus without distant metastasis. The 2023 revision further subdivides Stage 3 to better reflect prognosis and patterns of spread. This is structure of uterus, fallopian tube and ovary. Now stage 3A1 is extending to ovaries and fallopian tube. 3A1 extending to ovaries and fallopian tube. This is called stage 3A1. Stage 3A1 spread to ovary or fallopian tube or adnexa. Stage 3A2 tumor involves uterine subserosa or penetrates the uterine serosa, outer uterine surface. You can see outer uterine surface, serosa and subserosa. It is staged as stage 3A2. Involves subserosa, penetrate uterine serosa. It is called as stage 3A2. Stage 3B1 is direct extension or metastasis to vagina or parametrium. Stage 3B1 metastasized to parametrium, that is tissue alongside the cervix and vagina, and also involves vagina. This is called stage B1, 3B1. Direct extension or metastasis to vagina and parametrium. Stage 3B2. This will extend to pelvic peritoneum. These are the boundaries of pelvic peritoneum. Stage 3B will extend here. Now tumor is in the pelvis. It is involved pelvic peritoneum. 3B2 is involvement of pelvic peritoneum. This is the new 2023 subdivision. Stage 3C will involve pelvic and para-aortic nodes. These are pelvic nodes. There are further two subdivisions: micrometastasis that are more than 0.2 mm to less than 2 mm, and macrometastasis that is more than 2 mm. Stage 3C further divided into C1, further 1 and 2 and 3. This is stage 3C. This involves pelvic node. Pelvic node are involved in 3C1. Now 3C2 is para-aortic nodes involvement. Metastasis to para-aortic nodes are 3C2, and 3C2 further subdivided into 1 and 2. 1 is micrometastasis and 2 is macrometastasis. Stage 3C2. This is again 3A1 involvement of fallopian tube and ovaries, fallopian tubes and ovaries, 3A1. Then involvement of serosa and subserosa is 3A2, that extended to parametrium and vagina, 3B1. 3B1. Then when it involves pelvic peritoneum, it is 3B2. Involvement of pelvic lymph node is 3C1. Micrometastasis, macrometastasis and then involvement of para-aortic nodes 3C2, again micrometastasis and macrometastasis. 3A1 fallopian tube, ovaries. 3A2 involvement of subserosa or serosa, this extend to parametrium and vagina. 3B1, then involvement of pelvic peritoneum. 3B2, and then involvement of pelvic nodes 3C1 and para-aortic nodes 3C2.